Oh, good. They got a fairly good population of bees, and maybe they're taking care of things. I don't think they ate her out of it. Yeah, here I'm gonna.
Getting annoyed you didn't get the smoker?
We're protecting the queen.
Doesn't even look like they tried. Do you think they remember they're supposed to be like nice or something, not acting crazy?
Oh, I'm sure they tried. It's just that it was kind of.
Uh-oh.
Darn it. Hey, folks, back in there.
I don't know why they're hanging on there like she was there.
All right, I'm gonna let them settle down a little bit.
Okay.
I can get to them here. Yeah, a good number of bees still in here too. That's good. Oh, the middle one again, huh?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, you missed the back of it.
Wow. Looks like they maybe got those out. What do you think?
Got the queen out?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I don't know. There's still people. There's still bees inside of it.
Yes. But they'll do that sometimes when they.
No, I think that's her.
Okay.
Wonder why there's not bees on it. That's kind of weird.
Yeah, they've eaten into it, but not completely. All right, here's what they say to do. Take the cork out and then let her out slowly, easily.
I think the workers are in the way. Looks like it might have got wet in there or something. Yeah, they look like they formed a wall.
Maybe I may have to pry the top off to get her out. You don't want her to fly out into the open. That's better because she might not be able to find her way back. It's better for her to crawl out and go down in between is what they usually do.
Yeah. Yeah, they're starting to move now.
Are they?
I think it got wet and they were trying to make her something to stand on or something.
Let's see here.
Right by her, so
There you go. There she goes.
yeah, see, she's all wet.
Oh, okay. Well, good. They'll straighten her out there. And I'm going to leave this with them. What do you think? Or should I cap it out and put it in that other hive?
I don't know. I'm trying to see if they're being nice or not. They got their wings up.
She went out, right? That was her that went
Yeah,
down?
she climbed down in there.
Yeah, that's the main thing. And she'll start acclimating. I'm glad we came out today. I didn't want to leave her in there any longer.
Yeah, she somehow got wet.
Okay. Let them come in and get used to the smells. There we go. Had her attendance out. That's a tiny one. Yeah, they're a little damp too.
Can't tell if they're cleaning them off or
Yeah.
attacking them. Well, hopefully they're behaving. They want that sugar.
That and the smell of the queen in there.
Oh.
Strong. We'll leave it. Maybe that'll help them get acclimated. So I thought they would have eaten it out, but I guess they didn't. That's okay. They're alive, and after today they'll be released. And the next step is for them to start laying. If they're unfertilized, they have to go out and get fertilized. Yeah, see, they're all checking her out now. Let's see if this one will come out when I pull the plug. I'm gonna block it again. Alright, get back, let your queen out.
there's just a worker standing in the way. I think it's open enough. Can't tell if she already came out or not.
I think she has some on down probably.
Yeah, I didn't even see her.
Yeah, they're pretty quick a lot of times. She may have got out that hole before we got used to her. Well, they're really going all over that thing though, aren't they? Alrighty, we'll leave them to it. And I put a feeder on top of the main hive, and I want to check it and make sure they're active on it.